The request to separate the neutrals and grounds is a requirement of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, which governs the installation of electrical systems in the United States. According to the NEC, the neutral and grounding conductors must be separate throughout the electrical system except in specific cases where permitted by the code. Separating the neutrals and grounds provides several benefits. Firstly, safety. It prevents neutral currents from flowing through the grounding system, which can reduce the risk of electric shock and equipment damage. Secondly, noise reduction. Neutral currents can create noise in audio and data equipment, and separating them can mitigate this issue. Thirdly, grounding integrity. Keeping the grounding system separate from the neutral system ensures that the grounding system remains effective in providing a safe path for fault currents. To implement the request, you will need to run 4 wires from the meter to the house instead of 3. Firstly, 2 hot wires, typically black or red, which carry the power to the house. Secondly, a neutral wire, which is white, provides a return path for current. And thirdly, a grounding wire, which is bare copper or green, establishes a safe path for fault currents. At the CE and main breaker, you will need to terminate the wires as follows. Firstly, hot wires connect to the appropriate terminals on the breaker or bus bar. Secondly, the neutral wire connects to the neutral bar or terminal, and thirdly, the grounding wire connects to the grounding bar or terminal. The inspector may also require you to install a grounding electrode at the meter and/or at the house to provide a proper grounding path for the electrical system.